So preemptive shortest process time. So the table has been given here. So we have to use that to complete the calculation. So basically we have to begin with the 0. The arrival time is 0. So look at here is the P1. The burst time has been given. So 9. We have to list it up. 0. We start from 0. The burst time is P1 equals 9. So next we have to move on with the next arrival time is 3. Look here in the table is 3. So P3. The burst time has been given the 14. So we have to list it up. P3 14, P1 equals 6. Why P1 equals 6 is, so the 0 to 3 the measure time is 3. So we have to minus with the 9. So we get 6. So we write up the balance burst time here. So we repeat the same step again. The next arrival time is 7. So we look here 7, the burst time also P5 is 6. So we move on to the next step 7. So we have to list it up. P3 14, P5 equal to 6. P1 equals to 2 because the measurement time is 4. 3 to 7 is 4. So we minus with the 6. So we get 2 balance. So we write it up here. So next one is 8. The arrival time is 8. So we look here 8. So the burst time is 3 P2. So we list it up to P2 equals to 3. So 8. So P1 equals to 1 because the measurement time is 1. So balance is 1. So the next step is, the next arrival time is 9. But you look here, we doesn't have 9. We have 1, so we have to plus with 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. So remain the same is P1. So the next step is 10. Alright, the next step is 10. So Y P3 is 4, P5 6, P2 is 3. So next step is 10. We look here 10, P4 equals to 10, the burst time. So we list it up here P10, P2, P2, why P2? Because the shortest measurement time is here 3. So we use the P2. So 10 and so we list down up remain the same P2 because 3. So we cut here P2, P12, 18. So 12, 18 is P5. So we have to continue with this. So P2 already P2, 10, 12. So we move on to the next step 12. So we have to see the next step is P5 6, P4 10, P3 14. The shortest is the 6. So we have to plus with the 12, 18. So 12 plus 6 is 18. So we get 18. So we move on to the next step P4 10, P3 14. The shortest is 10. So 18 plus 10 is 28 P4. So the next one is P3 14. So 28 plus 14 equals to 42. So that's all the calculation, and the waiting time, we have to do the waiting time. So we look here, we P1 0, we have to take the arrival time here and minus with the arrival time here. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So P2, you look here, we got 9 here. So 9 minus 8. We look here, the P2 arrival time is 8. So we minus, we get 1. The P3 is 28. So we minus with 3. So we get 25. So the 18. P4, you look here 18. So minus with the arrival time 10. So we get 8. So P5 12. So minus 7 equal to 5. We look here, 7, 8. This is the arrival time we have to use for the waiting time to find the waiting time. So the balance is we have to plus total waiting time, we have to plus equal to 39. We get 39. So 39 divide 5, because we have process 5 process, so we have to divide with 5, so we get 7.8 measurement time. Okay, that's all the average waiting time. So that's all. So now is non-preemptive shortest process time. So basically we have to start from 0. We look here, the table has been given. So 0, the burst time is 9. We have to list it up 0 to 9. So we have to see in between the 0 to 9 how many process have. So we got 3 process, 3, 7, 8. We look here, look the table we have given 3, 7 and 8. So we take the arrival time, we list it up here. So the 3 process over here, so we have to write down the burst time of the arrival time. So we already listed up. So we have to see the shortest burst time, because we got no other process, only 10. So we have to plus with the, this is a step, the first step. So we have to plus 9 plus 3, we get 12. So between 9 and 12 we have one process, 10. It's P4 equals to 10. So we list it up here. So the P2 is already listed up. So the next step is P5, because the shortest burst time is 6. So we list up P5. 12 plus 6 is 18. So next one is P4. We look here, the equals to 10. So we plus 18, 10, 28. Then we move on to the last step, which is P3. P3 is 28 plus 14 is 42. So we sub P3 here. So that's all. It's a shortest calculation. So the waiting time basically is the same thing. 0, we have to see 0 minus with the arrival time. So 9 minus 8. So 28 minus 3. We look here, 28 P3. So we 18 minus 10. So 12 minus 7. So we have to plus everything. 39 we get. So 39 divided by 5, which is we have 5 process here. So the answer, the average time is 7.8.